Firstly, check if your device has been recognized by your PC or laptop and check what COM port it is. Mine is COM 7. Now open Arduino and go to your library manager. Search for Adafruit SSD1306 and then install it. Arduino might ask you if you want to install just the one or if you want to install all of it. Just select install all so that you have all the libraries. When it's done installing, close your library manager and now go to File and select Example, then select Adafruit SSD1306 and then select this one. It should open a new sketch, which you can save if you would like to. If Arduino did not ask you if you'd like to install all the libraries, then go back to your library manager and just install Adafruit GFX. Go to Tools, select your board, and now go to Tools again and select your COM port. When you are done, you can upload the code.